Welcome guys, in this video we will learn how you can add an item to your RecyclerView list. Previously we have created a project in which we were demonstrating a list of countries inside RecyclerView. We will use the same RecyclerView project, so let's get straight into it. We will see what are the changes you need to make inside your layout side first of all, because at first what we need is user input that we can take and put it inside RecyclerView. So for that we need an edit text and a button. So let's add it. So as you can see, our layout is ready. We have an edit text for the text input and a submit button to trigger the action of adding the item to RecyclerView. So let's see what code we need to write inside our Java code. First of all, we will create a function which will take care of all the codes that we need to handle. What we need to do is we need to update the array that we are passing to the RecyclerView adapter, and that updated array will be inserted into our RecyclerView. And just to update the view, we will call notify item dataset change. What we will do is we will add the code into a particular function to make it short. We will name it update view. Okay, and we will remove this code over here and we will put update view function to be called over here. Same thing we will do here, that is we will call update view. That makes everything very simple. And now what we need is our trigger, that is our submit button. Here we have our submit button and we will add a click listener. And now here we will call our text view that we need to put the text inside our array list. We are taking text and we will put toString in case if there is any garbage value which will be handled. Add item to RecyclerView, we are putting it here. I think that's all. So I think we are ready to check our code if it is working correctly or not. As you can see, we have our item added successfully. You can see that we are successfully able to add our items. Let's check our quick review about it. What we are doing is we are taking user input from our edit text, and on the basis of the trigger received from submit button, we are receiving the text here, and here the text is sent to directly this function add item to RecyclerView, and this text is added to our RecyclerView's array list that we are passing inside the adapter, and after adding it the view is updated. Okay, so it is that simple. So I think that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.